Ever wondered how professional ballparks and golf courses get those perfectly striped lawns? The secret isn't just in the mower, it's in the striping kit. In today's video, we're counting down the top 5 best lawnmower striping kits of 2025 that can instantly transform your ordinary yard into a beautifully patterned masterpiece. Whether you're a weekend lawn warrior or a homeowner who takes pride in curb appeal, these kits are designed to take your mowing game to the next level. And remember, I've added the latest and best Amazon deals for every product featured in this list. You'll find them in the description and pinned comment below. So if one catches your eye, just scroll down and check it out. Let's jump right in. Number 5. Swisher 21180 Response 38 Wheel Kit Lawn Striper. If you've ever wanted your lawn to look like a baseball field or a perfectly manicured golf course, the Swisher 21180 Response 38 Wheel Kit is a great way to start. This kit attaches easily to your mower and uses durable rollers that press the grass blades down in alternating directions, giving you those eye-catching dark and light patterns. What makes the Swisher kit stand out is its build quality. Made with heavy-duty steel components and a reliable wheel kit design, it's built to last season after season, even if you mow frequently on larger properties. One thing USA homeowners will love is how easy it is to install. You don't need a mechanic's background to get this up and running. Basic tools and a little bit of time are all you need. Once it's attached, you'll immediately notice the difference in your lawn's appearance. It takes an ordinary mow and transforms it into a professional-looking finish. Because this is designed as a wheel kit, it also helps with maneuverability. The extra weight distribution makes the mower more stable, which is a nice bonus if you're working on uneven terrain. For anyone who takes pride in curb appeal, the Swisher 21180 is an affordable, durable way to get those premium lawn stripes without paying for commercial services. Number 4. Toro Lawn Striping System. Next up at number 4, we have the Toro Lawn Striping System. This kit is incredibly popular among homeowners in the US, and for good reason. It's easy to use, affordable, and works with most walk-behind mowers. The Toro system uses a roller that you can fill with either sand or water to add weight, pressing the grass down and creating those clean, professional stripes. One of the best things about Toro's kit is its versatility. Whether you're working with a smaller suburban yard or a mid-sized property, it gets the job done beautifully. It's lightweight when empty, so you can easily store it away in your garage, and when filled, it provides just the right amount of pressure for clean, crisp stripes without damaging your grass. Homeowners love that this kit can be set up in under 15 minutes, making it one of the most user-friendly striping systems out there. And because it's designed by Toro, a brand with decades of trust in the lawn care space, you know you're getting reliable engineering. If you want a simple, effective way to give your lawn that high-end, stadium-like look without spending a fortune, the Toro Lawn Striping System is a top pick. Number 3. Harrison Specialties Lawn Roller Striping Kit. At number 3, we've got the Harrison Specialties Lawn Roller Striping Kit, which has become something of a favorite among lawn care enthusiasts. This kit is especially popular with zero-turn mower owners because it attaches securely and delivers professional-grade striping that rivals what you'd see on sports fields. The roller itself is constructed from high-quality materials, and like the Toro, it can be filled with sand for weight. What sets Harrison apart, though, is the adjustability. You can easily set the roller height and pressure depending on the type of grass you're cutting and the finish you want. This gives you more control over how bold or subtle your stripes appear. Another standout feature is its durability. Many users mention that the Harrison roller holds up extremely well over time, even with heavy mowing schedules. If you're serious about lawn aesthetics and want a tool that'll consistently deliver those sharp, clean patterns, the Harrison Specialties Kit is worth the investment. It's not just about mowing your lawn anymore, it's about crafting a lawn that's the envy of your neighborhood. Number 2. Husqvarna Zero-Turn Mower Grass Striping Kit. Coming in at number 2 is the Husqvarna Zero-Turn Mower Grass Striping Kit, a product built with precision and heavy-duty performance in mind. Husqvarna is already one of the most trusted names in outdoor power equipment, and this striping kit lives up to the reputation. What makes it unique is that it's specifically designed to integrate seamlessly with Husqvarna zero-turn mowers. The installation is straightforward, and once it's attached, it feels like part of the mower rather than an add-on. The roller applies even pressure across the cutting path, ensuring your stripes look uniform and professional every single time. For homeowners with larger properties, this kit shines. It's built to handle big lawns without losing effectiveness, and it's durable enough to withstand regular heavy use. Plus, because it's engineered by Husqvarna, you know it's been tested to perform under real-world conditions. If you want a system that's built for power, precision, and long-lasting durability, the Husqvarna Zero-Turn Striping Kit is one of the best options you'll find. Number 1. Husqvarna Commercial Zero-Turn Mower Striping Kit. Finally, at number 1, we've got the Husqvarna Commercial Zero-Turn Mower Striping Kit, the ultimate choice for anyone who wants the very best striping performance available in 2025. This kit is designed for commercial-grade zero-turn mowers, which means it's built tough and built to impress. The roller is heavy-duty, capable of delivering bold, dramatic stripes across wide lawns. If you've ever admired the perfectly striped grass at a Major League Baseball stadium or a top-tier golf course, this is the kind of equipment that helps create that look. It's designed to work with Husqvarna's most powerful mowers, so if you're already invested in their commercial line, this is a natural upgrade. Even though it's built for pros, dedicated homeowners who want the absolute best can also take advantage of this kit. Installation is straightforward, and once it's set up, it requires very little maintenance. It's one of those products you buy once and keep using year after year. If you want your lawn to stand out as the best on the block, or even rival commercial landscapes, the Husqvarna Commercial Striping Kit is hands down the top choice. It's powerful, durable, and designed to deliver stunning results every time you mow. And there you have it, the top 5 lawnmower striping kits of 2025 that can give your lawn that professional, envy-worthy look. From budget-friendly options to heavy-duty commercial kits, there's something here for every yard and every mower. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more smart buying guides, and share this with a fellow lawn care enthusiast. Which of these kits would you choose for your mower? Drop your pick in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep your stripes sharp and your lawn looking its best.